Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Altcoin Buzz Trading. Today's a Friday, and we're going to chart school today, ladies and gentlemen. BTC, I think it's got higher in it. I think it's probably going to go. I don't have an exact target yet. We don't have all the information on the chart yet that I think we're going to have in several months, but I think we're probably going to end up around 100,000. I don't know exactly where, but let's just call it 100,000. That's probably what we'll put in the thumbnail of this video. So let's get right to it. Yesterday I posted a video about really not trading and doing much. We're still doing that. We're still not doing anything, but I want to show you what I think is going on here and give you a little bit of evidence, and then maybe you'll believe, and then maybe you won't. Let me know in the comments down below. So first off, BTC's been in a really good uptrend here for the past pretty much all of last year, culminating in a high this year, which may hold for a while. We'll see. 49,164, give or take, is what my cursor says. Now, we've been in a nice uptrend, and whenever Bitcoin goes into an uptrend after putting in some kind of a low, we end up going on a lull for a while. So I'm going to take a zoomed out version of this chart. Let's just go to the weekly version of this chart, and I'm showing you that Bitcoin's done this throughout its history. I've got a bunch of boxes here, and we're going to start at the front. Bitcoin here in the very beginning, very beginning, rally, consolidation, further rally. Okay, usually we rally and have these consolidations, we chop around for a while, don't do anything that trending, and then we go on for another move. Now the bases that form here can go for, in this case, only a couple of months, because Bitcoin is really, very brand new, or they can go for longer, and we'll see longer in a little bit. But the point is that we go through these choppy situations before we get much higher, say BTC 100,000, right? There's even another one right here. So you take a large leg up, you come down, you have a large move from the low, go up another 100%, and then you go sideways for a while, sideways choppy action. What this allows the market to do is digest the gains, give people a chance to sell that want to sell, and then once everyone's off the ship, they take it right back up. So they did that right here. Now you have another large drop here in 2013. You come down a substantial amount. The numbers don't matter. And then we start to rally here again, breaking recent highs. See my moving averages here. They start to flip. You go from purple on top to purple on bottom. Red just started the 200-day moving average here, so forget that thing. At least it's not over here. But there you go. Flip, you move up, boom. Sideways action, sideways choppy action, another leg up, more sideways choppy action before we go on a more massive run into 2017. Another bear market, and then this one actually has a very small consolidation, very tiny consolidation here before another move up. This is actually a cup and handle pattern, even though it doesn't look like it. We won't get into that. The average viewer watches for 5 minutes, so I can't talk that long. Another rally here, and then look at this sideways price action. This actually goes on for a substantial period of time. This is over a year. This is the COVID drop, so I think that did a lot of damage to the chart. This shouldn't have taken as long as it took. COVID basically gave us a mini stroke and elongated this downtrend. Then you get another rally up, and then now we're in this situation. We've had a nice rally up. Well, guess what's probably likely to happen? We're going to get some kind of a range-bound situation. Don't know what it's going to look like. I don't know if it's going to take 2 months or a year. I really have no idea. So that is a situation that we're in right now. And that's really what's going on, ladies and gentlemen. I think we're going into a choppy market cycle, and I think that we will be chopping around for a while. I'll put some trades on here when I can find them, but as a swing trader, we're not going to find anything for a while, in my opinion, and I don't think it's really wise to be taking huge directional moves at this time, not based on the technicals on the chart. If you have another metric that you use, let me know down in the comments. I'll take a look at it, but I think we're going to be chopping around for a while. We just put in a pretty boisterous high. This is the weekly chart, and that volume showed up from last week pretty high on the chart, double average volume on the weekly. So I think we're chopping around for a while, and I'll reevaluate if we go back into new highs. But right now, that's what's going on here. And I'll see you guys on Monday here on Altcoin Buzz Trading.